Banang pentikna ya kijing pentrikam ya kiskim baper ke bawan lengba ke sorkar pedeng hapok ke Bhoi district ya ke Malaysia penkentup kum ke aspirational district jong jela Meghalaya union minister jong sorkar pedeng Kyrdan Rijiju menta ke singi ke khat prat ri kupna yayong arhajar arpuar ulawan yuk jat hapok ke ya ke them Bhoi district banwan pej bat kemi benia ya kiskim jong sorkar pedeng ke balapan mangsa ke district Haki jingilang balap penlong ha conference hall jong office jong deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district hanong po uba MB tongper MCS ubri additional deputy commissioner ke district ulai ke report jong kikam ke baidei bat ke roi ke par jong ke district haki jingdon lang jong Dr. Joram Beda IAS ubri secretary planning ke tenat trekam jong sarkar jela u arpit upadaya IAS ubri deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district u Giri Prasad IPS ubri superintendent of police ke Bhoi district uba RDH Karlu Kiew Deputy Secretary Planning Department Shillong uba BJ Kharshandi MCS ubri Additional Deputy Commissioner bat QA Officer na ketenat rekam baper Union Minister hakijing ajing keren jong lapan pau ya kijing kemen ban sakhi ya kijing pentelun ya kiskem balamang da sorkar pedeng bagi long bala pentri hok hakane ke district kumbala angnut da sorkar pedeng ban kentiu ya kane ke district da ka benra bru bagi jing tri stom jong ke officer na gitna trikam baper hakane ke district haka jinglam khamat jong deputy commissioner ke district kane ke district menta kala kiu Kyrdan biang hadu ka Kyrdan ka basan na pedeng jong ke shispa khadar tali ke district ban mensyua kane district kadon haka Kyrdan ka basan popra hadin jong kane ke jingilang bat ke officer union minister ulejru ban jongo ya ka kanwadi center ha om dihar bat ya ke health wellness center ha om sau nong kharai bat haswa ban lej pai ulai ban jurep ru ya ke jakawa ya tengku kali hasyang bangla ha ka wei na girang ilekai table tennis ke jela Tamil Nadu ulaklat no asyan
Where is the SMP? Yeah, store it there. Yeah.
How do you get the supply?
The supply is done from the manufacturer itself directly. So we have the fortified item.
For children, pregnant and
Nursing mother. Those are the fortified items. Sir.
These are all prescribed,
Yes,
and these are
These are directly from the directory, sir.
yeah.
Right?
You cannot procure it locally.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. These are Asha workers.
Yes, sir.
All Asha workers. Such fatal accident can happen. I am very happy that today I am here in Bhoi district in Meghalaya, and I personally took the review meeting of the aspirational district program, all the activities being undertaken in Bhoi district. First of all, I must compliment the entire officials of the district Bhoi for a remarkable jump in the overall ranking of Bhoi district in All India list. From 51 rank in 2018, it has come to 5th rank amongst 112 aspirational districts of the country. Although the ranking keeps changing every month, but at the present time it is rank 5, which is very, very encouraging. There are certain issues which we had discussed today in brief. I had pointed out, if we can take care of some of the issues, then it can go up to top also. But having said that, all the officers are working extremely hard. The Deputy Commissioner here and his entire official team of the district are doing excellent job. There is good support from the state government. The Secretary Planning also participated in the meeting, so he made certain positive and useful interventions which the state government and the district authorities of Bhoi can sit together and chalk out and bridge all those gaps or certain shortcomings. Aspiration district is a very, very important program which is being monitored by Niti Aayog. India is destined to become one of the most important economic hub of the world. Our target is to get India into the 5 trillion economy. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has set $5 trillion economy target for next 2-3 years time. For that, there are certain districts in India which are becoming a problem in reaching the target. So we identified those 112 districts. If we take care of the issues of those 112 districts, then India's immediate goal of reaching $5 trillion economy will be arrived soon. We can achieve, we can succeed faster if we take care of the 112 aspirational districts, because these districts are slightly lagging behind compared to other districts in the state. So that is why these are slightly backward, and Prime Minister gave a very encouraging and very apt name called aspirational, so that the district has the potential to grow and the people of the district has the aspiration to grow faster. That is why the concept of aspirational district was conceived, and Niti Aayog is doing great job. I have been designated as the in-charge officer, in-charge minister for certain districts, but I was not looking after Bhoi earlier. But this time I had been assigned to just go and assess the ground situation, what is happening in the aspirational district program in Bhoi district in Meghalaya. I am very happy. I thank the district authorities, I thank the Meghalaya state government and everyone who have supported and who have contributed in the tremendous improvement of the developmental activities and the status of Bhoi district. So once again, I am very satisfied with this visit, and I thank Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for coming up with such a wonderful thought to take care of those aspirational districts.
Just one question, sir. What is the major area that the still district is lagging behind to reach the top?
Some of the areas are the micro irrigation issue, where there need to be some more drastic step to increase the conservation of water resources, make drinking water access to all the schools, all the villages, all the important units of the district. So catchment area treatment and micro irrigation will require some more push. And then in education sector, the teacher pupil ratio and some of the schools which are not yet given the drinking water and electricity facilities. These issues need to be tackled at the urgent basis. So these are some of the areas remaining which are being identified, and the district administration is looking after all these issues, and they will settle these issues very soon.